Do I still need to get put another book under it? Like, if this was to fall. Well, it looks like it's going to stay. I hope it stays. Because that's the best phone holder I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so. Sorry for all the... I'm just going to have to edit or something. Or not. Because I told I'm quite funny. I gotta go find my hair thing. So I can keep this... Yes, we are going to go through our hair thing too. So, hold on just a minute. Okay, my ear's itching. Hang on. Ear's itching. Oh, ear's itching. The fuck is that in my ear? Okay. Wasn't really nothing. Just a piece of skin. Okay, so if y'all don't know, I have extremely dry skin. And when I say extremely, I mean extremely. I mean it is dry in my ears. It's dry behind my ears. I get it bad here. And I even get it really bad in my eyebrows. And on my elbows. That was supposed to be a seal, but it didn't turn out to sound that way. Now, today, we are going to try this bad boy. I have not tried this $1,000 piece of equipment yet. The closest this has been anywhere to my face is the day the woman put it on my face in the mall. So, but I have to say, I think it worked pretty well. The way we're going to do it today is I'm going to finish my cigarette while I'm talking. I know, bad habit and bad influence. I shouldn't do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on one eye. That way y'all can see the difference on this eye. And I actually, I mean, my eyes don't look, I mean, just from her doing it that one time at the mall, my eyes look nothing like they did prior to that. She said this container, which is 12 grams or 0.42 ounces, should last me 2 years. You are only supposed to use it once a week, and that is at nighttime. So, the directions on the back say, gently press the top of syringe downward until product is released. Apply directly on targeted areas, typically the sides of the mouth and around the eyes. Excess product can be removed with a cotton swab. Use as desired, recommended weekly. Therefore, you can, from what I'm gathering, you can lose it along these, you know, in these areas right here and around your eye. Not your entire face. She, like, expressed that deeply. Like, she kept saying it, like, and kept on saying it. Alright, so let's read the rest of what the back of this container says. I'm trying to find where the camera lens is, because I'm used to it being over here. So, and now it's over here, so it's really weird. Alright, so this is called the Venofye Beehive Skintight Syringe. And this is what it looks like, the packaging. So, okay, now let me turn this back around. The lighting in this kitchen sucks. I am using my mirrored light. So, and the back says, Beehive Skintight Syringe. Instantly reduce the look of wrinkles and expression lines with this non-invasive, pain-free syringe. This potent formula features skincare's best researched ingredients, including vitamins A and E, cucumber extract and hyaluronic acid to immediately fade away the invisible symptoms of aging skin, leaving you with a bouncier, more lively complexion. We're going to see how lively and bouncy it leaves me. Because like I said, she didn't use this exact syringe on my face. She had her bottle, you know what I'm saying, her syringe. And her syringe was actually all silver. As you can see, this one is blue and silver. Okay? And she said, choose an eye. I picked my right eye. Okay? She put a thick layer on my eye, and then she like took a fan and fanned it. Like she had a portable fan and she held it on my eye and held it there till it dried. And when it dried, she handed me the mirror, and oh my word at the difference, y'all. Like, it was like night and day. Hold my hand to God. I am not even playing or joking about this. So, like I stated before, if you go online to the Venofye website, this particular item is $995. Your girl did not pay $995 for this. I swear to you, I might be a little crazy, but I'm not that crazy. Not yet. But I did give a pretty penny for it. But it wasn't $995. I'd really rather not say what I gave for it. It was up there. I can just tell you that much. And I only did it for this purpose of this video. And my reasoning is, when you go to these places, or, you know, if you're walking around the mall or whatever, and they are, what do you call them? Demonstrating these products for you. And then you're like, ooh, ah, wonderful, great, I want one. Do you actually get the product that they're demonstrating? Or do they give you a weaker version of the product? Is my question. We're getting ready to find out, guys. So we're not waiting anymore. We're getting into this. So, I'm taking the cap off. And this is what it looks like. Let me turn my camera around here so y'all can see it. And then it comes out that little hole, and all you do is you push this bottom piece up right here. Now, what she did is she pushed it out onto her hand right here, and then she took her finger and she just wiped it on my eye. Actually, she did clean underneath my eye with a cleansing cloth. So, I have my handy dandy cleansing makeup remover wipes here. So, that's what I'm going to do. And I've got my handy dandy Dollar Tree mirror. So, there's that. Now. And that. Alright. I am only doing this right side. I'm going to do my eye and I'm going to do my laugh lines. And then I will take a picture to show the comparison. Voila. And voila. And whoosh, 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 whoosh. Alright. And I have also taken a picture beforehand of the entire face. Alright guys, let's get in it. So let's lay this camera back like this. And I'm going to slide this over so we can get a better shot. Alright, there we go. So, alright, are y'all ready? Because I'm not. Alright, so I'm just going to do, there we go. So, okay, so I'm assuming that's a pretty thick layer. Alright, and now I'm going to put a thick layer there on my laugh line on that side only. And I think I put too much out, but I'm just gonna continue to just put it on. Alright. It is all off of my hand. There we go. All off my hand there. Alright. So, now we are just going to wait for this to dry. And the best way for me to do that is I'm going to go stand in front of the air conditioner. Is there any change this far? We're not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe the tip of this off, because as much as I paid for this, I still want the thing to look like it's brand new, just walked out of the store. Putting that sucker back in its vault. Alright, now I'm going to turn this around so y'all can see me dry my eye. This way. As it is drying, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but as it is drying, it's feeling kind of stiff. Kind of. You know how when, I don't know if you did it when you was kids, but I know when I was a kid, I used to do it, me and my friends. We would take Elmer's glue and we would put it on our hands and we would pat, it would cover our entire hand. And we would like pat it out, and you know, as it would dry, when it would dry, it would be a solid sheet. But once we straighten our hand out, it would be so tight that it would actually crack. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that my face is cracking. I'm just saying that tight feeling is what I'm feeling right now. My face, it's like my skin where I put it at is getting tighter. That's the word I'm looking for. I just want to make sure it's good and dry before I come back. Okay, so we are good and dry. So let's turn this bad boy back around. We have been talking about this for 15 minutes. My light went out and I don't know why. Why are you dying on me, my friend? My light? Oh my God. 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back. So what do you think? The puffiness is gone. As you can see, the puffiness here, it is gone here. Like, there is no puffiness. I don't see any wrinkles or anything in my eye. Now, going to my mouth, maybe I did put a thicker layer on my eye. Granted, it was the same amount that she used that I used. I didn't use more than she did. I didn't use any less than she did. I used the exact same amount that she used out of her little squirt, syringe, whatever you want to call it, thing. And I have to say, it looks just like it did when she did it that day. And, like, I love it. Like, I'm in awe. Like, let's look at it with real light, because there's like, it's super bright. Let's go look at it in the light of day. Let's go check out, see what it looks like outside. And I am filming this in a different way than I normally film with my phone. Normally, I film with my phone up and down like this. And there, I was filming like this. So, I don't know how it's going to act like that. Okay, so we're outside. Let's check the difference with inside lighting to the outside. And I can't really tell because of the brightness. My phone is like darker. But from what I can see, it does work. I see the puffiness still here, and it's just like a smooth canvas here. I would have to say this was a good investment, like a wonderful, great investment. The lady promised me a free facial with the purchase of this item. Plus, she said she would have me a bag of goodies when I came to do my facial. So, I am super excited for that. I have never had Botox done in my life. And the stiffness of this is kind of reminding me of the way people talk about Botox injections. Because it is really, like, stiff. Like, when I squint, even the lines from squinting are dramatically different. So, I'm pleasantly surprised, like, and I'm enjoying this. I would highly recommend this to someone. Now, do not go on the Venofye website and dish out $1,000 for this product. I did not pay $1,000 for this product. I gave $300 $95.99 is what the price was that she gave me. After taxes, I spent about $4.10. And like I said, this was my mad money that I had put back, and I had about $1,000 worth of mad money put back. I bought this for this video purpose, and I also bought products to go into my 200 subscriber giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment. That way you can be entered into this outstanding giveaway that I've got going on for 200 subscribers. I am at 96 right now. Only 104 to go, guys. Share the crap out of my videos so we can get this giveaway going, get it started, because as soon as I hit 200 subscribers, 7 days after that is when the winners will be named. Again, the way it's going to go, videos that have been uploaded from the time I announced the giveaway, which I believe was on May 1st, or maybe videos a little bit before May 1st, all the way up to the 7 days, all the way up to the point I hit 200 subscribers, 7 days after I hit 200 subscribers, no more comments will be picked. I will be picking 3 comments from each video, unless I state otherwise on a video, which I believe there was one video, I can't remember which one it is, or off the top of my head, it does state it in there. I will be picking 6 comments from that video. Okay, out of all the comments that I picked, those names will be going into a pot. Out of those names, 20 names will be picked. Those will be our 20 finalists. Out of those 20 finalists, 3 people will be picked. The first name that's drawn will be the runner-up. The runner-up is going to win a medium-sized makeup bag full of goodies. The second name drawn is going to be our second place winner. The second place winner is going to win a large makeup bag full of goodies and another surprise gift. Okay, the third name drawn is going to be the grand prize winner, and the grand prize winner gets an IT Cosmetics or an IT Cosmetics jumbo-sized makeup bag full of goodies and their choice of one Jeffree Star Cosmetics product. This is an awesome giveaway, guys. Help me spread the word about it. Share it with your friends. Share it with your mom, your aunts. Share it with everybody you know. Share it with your friends. Tell everybody. Just get on Instagram, get on Facebook, and share the crap out of it, guys. Spam the comment sections everywhere with the details so we can get this giveaway started. I am wanting to give y'all this free stuff so bad, and I love giving things to people. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside to know that something that I gave somebody made them so happy, and I just spit, and I didn't mean to. So come on, guys, help me spread the word about this 200 subscriber giveaway. I know 200 subscribers ain't something to be excited about for some people, but for me, it's a milestone, and I'm super excited to get there. And I am super excited for y'all to be taking this journey with me. Some other news, the sunglasses that I've been telling y'all about, go check out Twisted Eyewear, www.twistedeyewear.com. Discount code is Danny Reed, DANIREID. Use it at checkout, one word. Nomad Cosmetics. Awesome cosmetics company. I have been in frequent email conversations with the Felicia and Auntie. They are very nice people. They do a lot of traveling to get the concept for their makeup palettes and colors that they want to create and put in it. They are wonderful, very, very nice people. When you go order from them, when you go to their website and you check out, use the discount code DANI10, DANI10. Get 10% off your order. So if you order $100 worth, you only got to pay $90. It's as simple and easy as that, guys. Plus, once you reach so much, you get free shipping. So hot dog, there you go. Also, there's a new clothing line. I've been speaking with the people that's involved with this clothing line. They are very nice, sweet people as well. Go check them out. It's Diamond Lush Fashion. www.diamondlushfashion.com. And at checkout, key in the code DANI15, DANI15. Get yourself a 15% discount. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thanks for sticking around for this video. I apologize, it is a little on the long side. But hey, pain, or what is it? No, beauty is pain. And I'm sorry that y'all had to painfully sit through this video. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. I love you. Peace.